to March 2021, the board pile foundation works, and the lateral support system for excavation is completed. The underground dewatering system had been installed to lower the groundwater table construction to ensure the safety of basement construction activity. Excavation for Zone E without Bayseam NT is completed and ready to start for the structural works. The basement zone is undergoing excavation of soil, pile head cutting and rectification, and basement lean concrete. The next stage works for the basement construction include waterproofing works, pile cap, and basement structural construction. Remaining progress to be further update as the project moving forward.